Look what we have here. This is a special Nova. It's a 1970s Super Sport with the L78 motor. That's the 396, 375 horsepower, 4-speed posi. It's a sleeper with the poverty caps. We got the book here with documentation. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. Or scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Now, real quick, in this book here, we have copies of the NCRS shipping data report. It was sold new at Morris Chevrolet in Newcastle, Indiana. We have a list of all the codes, the engine, 4-bolt main with the right casting, the right date. The Muncie M20 has the proper dates, codes, and the VIN number stamped on it. The rear end has the right codes and numbers. J79 date. It's a posi. The Holly carb has the right numbers. The GM aluminum intake has the right numbers. It has the big square port heads with the right numbers. The exhaust manifolds, the distributor, steering box, alternator, water pump, bell housing, harmonic balancer, power brake booster, the voltage regulator. And it has, here's a copy of the broadcast sheet it has as well, which this does verify it's an SS. Came with an AM/FM, which is in there, and it was a 4-speed. So it has some nice documentation to go with the car. Now the body itself is super clean and straight and nice. It's been restored for about 10 years or so, and it's still looking really good. All clean, going up the quarter panels, no cracks, no damage. All this is nice all the way to the bottom. All that looks really good. Oh, it opens easily. It's going to shut easily. Thunk. Like a new car. No door dings or dents, all clean. There is a chip in the paint down here at the bottom, but all straight, fitting good. Has the SS hood. All clean, straight, no waves or ripples. It's all looking really nice. Repainted its original color. The code is 7575. That's Cranberry Red and Cranberry Red, no vinyl top. All this nice and clean, all the way down to the bottom. The fenders, the rockers, has these little gills here in 1970. All this is real nice. Now right here and right here, there's little pimples in the paint, little tiny pimples that honestly I'd never seen it until under these lights. Out in the sun, you won't see it. The rest of it, it's really smooth, shiny, glossy, and the car is straight. See how this door does. Opened easily, jams are real nice. Shuts real nice and solid. Quarter panels. Body's looking really good. Beautiful red shiny paint. The rear window, all the glass has some little light water spots. The trim is really nice on the car. Has the SS tail panel, the bumper, the lights. Everything back here is at least very good. Door handles are good. They look like they might be original. Now it has the 14-inch poverty hubcaps. And these are reproduction wide oval tire, but they're actually radials. It has an R here for radial. That's new technology, or fairly new within the last couple of years. You get the old school look, but they're radial tires. The rubber seal's good. The mirror's good. The windshield's good. The SS grills are very good. Everything's looking very nice. Has the 396 emblems. The grill all looks really sharp. The front bumper is really glossy. That looks like new. So now why don't we open it up, show you the interior, and show you that monster motor. All right, let's see what we got hiding in the trunk. A spider web. Under the trunk lid's real nice. Stickers, all looks good. Weather strip is replaced. The jam looks real nice. Look how clean the metal is inside this trunk compartment. It's all spatter painted. This does have a Firestone tire for a spare, painted rim, complete. Looks like a new reproduction jack assembly. Wiring looks good. So everything in here is clean and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these videos are posted. This is a neat car. The Nova was a grocery getter back then, a grandma car. And you get one with that big motor, this thing really scoots. Door jambs are real nice. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels, we're having a conversation. They might be really good original. They're very nice shape. They look really good. I think they're original. Pretty basic car, just nice, clean instrument area. 87,000 miles showing, that's believable. And like the broadcast sheet says, it has an AM/FM radio. But these didn't come with too many options typically. Padded dash is nice, this is good. Kick panel, the knob, all that looks good. Has the original style Chevy floor mats, carpet's been replaced. Does have the original seat belts. Got the Hurst 4-speed sticking out of the floor. Definitely wasn't Grandma's car. The seat upholstery is really nice. Has headrests. Let me flip the seat forward. And everything back here, you got floor mats again. You got the original seat belts. The upholstery looks good. Side panels look real good. Trim around the back window looks good. And then the headliner, nice and straight. Even the sail panels are straight. Dome light works. Shoulder belts are there. Original visors look good. The mirror looks really good. There's the SS steering wheel. So overall, very nice interior, not abused. Looks good. So the 396, 375 horse, that was the powerhouse. That was the biggest engine you could get in this car unless you special ordered a Yanko or something. But that's a built motor from the factory. And this has the square port heads, the aluminum intake, the right carburetors underneath the air cleaner there. Looks like it might be original valve covers. There's a little aged patina on the chrome stock manifolds. All looks very stock. Firewall, engine bay looks really good. The big block cars have the heater core here. The small block cars, it goes in over here, but there's no room with the big block. It has the right ribbed hoses, spring clamp battery cables, original finish on the latch here. All this looks good. Looks like a lot of original qualities, original patina. And according to that chart, the alternator's correct. We do have reproduction hoses and clamps. We have power steering. We have power brakes. I think it's a phosphate finish, they call it, on the hinges too. That hood insulation. So a nice older restoration, showing a little patina, but very authentic looking. And again, Michael's going to show you how that legendary motor performs. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, we got like the ultimate sleeper to drive here today. This thing is so cool with the poverty hubcaps and the bench seat. Awesome. 396 under the hood, as you guys are already aware of. 4-speed manual, 355 posi out back. This is a real deal muscle car right here. Beautiful restoration on this thing, very original, even documented. Power steering, power disc brakes, it's totally awesome. It's been preserved amazingly. I got an inkling that this front seat is original, don't hold me to it, but got a strange suspicion. It's a very well cared for car. Let's see what she's got, guys. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60. Holy cow, what a performer. No doubt in this little car and all that horsepower. That's the 375 horsepower optional engine too. Man, oh man. What a great ride. Let's see how it goes down the road here. Absolutely beautiful alignment on it. I mean, this car is phenomenal in every single way, shape, and form. You can come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. You're always more than welcome here. Just give us about a 24-hour notice and we'll go ahead and have the car ready for you. And outside of that, check out all the pictures, details, and full description at volocars.com.
So underneath is very clean. It's about equal to the motor compartment. All the suspension, steering, everything under there is stock, but all the suspension, steering looks very clean, like it was redone at the time of restoration. We've got disc brakes in front, drum and back. The lines were replaced. The e-brake assembly's all hooked up. Factory type dual exhaust. It's dual exhaust that runs into a transverse muffler. It's a sideways muffler, and then it goes back out into two. The fuel tank was replaced when it was restored in the lines. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, the proper starter. The VIN number matching Muncie M20 4-speed is in there. And back is the 12-bolt rear end, which is original to the car, the correct coats, the correct dates, with 355 gears. So it's a nice cruising gear. It's a beautiful car, rare car, got the cool motor. This is one that my dad flipped over when we got it in. It just struck a chord with him. He remembers that type of deal, the grocery getter with the poverty wheels and that motor. You just don't see many of these. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your 70 Nova with an L78 motor delivered to your home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.